Welcome to the channel Professor Davinci. I am the professor. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated.
Hi guys, welcome back. This video we are going to discuss the exercise 3.1a3c. Write the equation in the form of write the equation of y equal to 4 by 3 x plus 1 by 2 in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are integer. Let's start. So the solution what we have here is y equals 4 by 3x plus 7 by 2. Here bring the y that side, 4 by 3x plus 7 by 2 minus y equal to 0. In the previous example we have say like only one term like this, 3x plus something 7 a minus y equal to previous example. So what we have done there, we have multiplied by 3 the whole terms, right? So here because only one denominator is there, so we have multiplied 3 by 3 for all the terms here. But in this example we have the two numbers in the denominator, 3 and 2. So what we need to do, we need to find the LCM, find the LCM, least common multiplier, that is one denominator and another denominator we will find. So 6. After that what we need to do, we need to multiply, multiply by 6 whole terms. We have here 6 times of 4 by 3 x plus 6 times of 7 by 2 minus 6 times of y equals 0. So how many 3 in 6? 1 3 is 3, here 2 3s are 6, here 1 2 is there, here 3 2s. Okay, so 2 times of 4 is 8x plus 3 into 7 21 minus 6y equal to 0. Rewrite the term, 8x minus 6y plus 21 equals 0. Hence we have arrived the form, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 8, b equal to minus 6 and c equals to 21. Hence we have arrived the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. Understand? Right. Have a great day. See you. Bye bye.